quick grammar drills, the best practices for developing your English right here. And today's topic is reported speech, and this is an advanced lesson. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm David Sugarman, and today we're learning how to report what someone said clearly and correctly. And this is a skill you'll use every day. Reporting a call, summarizing a meeting, or even retelling a story. So let's learn how reported speech works and why the verb tense usually changes. So, what is reported speech? Definition: we use reported speech when we tell someone what another person said without quoting them directly. Direct. Here's an example. Look at the picture down there. Direct. I'm tired. Reported. She said she was tired. The tense usually shifts back one step in time. Take a look at this table, and we have some common tense shifts. We're going to start with direct speech, go to reported speech, and then we're going to have an example. So, direct speech goes from present simple to the past simple. I eat breakfast early. He said he ate breakfast early. Past simple to the past perfect. I went to work. She said she had gone to work. Present perfect to past perfect. I've finished my project. He said he had finished. Always move one tense back to show it's in the past. And remember, the past perfect is the furthest you can go in the past. Here's an example. Original. We are planning a surprise party for him. Reported. They said they were planning a surprise party for him. So we have the present continuous going into the past continuous. The meaning stays the same, just the time reference shifts. Here's another example with the present perfect to past perfect. Original. I have finished the report. Reported. He said he had finished the report. This shows the action was already completed in the past. Will to would. Original. I will call you tomorrow. Reported. He said he would call me the next day. The time words all changed tomorrow to the next day. Remember, it's pretty important to know that time words also change. So we could have a word like today, and that would be in the past that day when you're reporting. So if someone said today, da da da, you're going to say that day. If someone said tomorrow, you're going to say the next day. If someone said yesterday, you're going to say the day before. If somebody says now, you're going to say then. This week, that week, back then. So let's do some practice right now. I want you to change these to reported speech. Get your pen, pencil, and notebook, and I'm going to read these out to you. I want you to write them down and then say your answer. Number 1, I'm watching a movie. Write down your answer and then say your answer. Number 2, we finished our work. Write down your answer and then say your answer. Number 3, I've met him before. Write down your answer and then say your answer. And number 4, I'll help you later. Make this into reported speech. Write down your answer and then say your answer. Okay. Once everything is done, let's go to the next slide. Here are the answers. She said she was watching a movie. Number 2, they said they had finished their work. Number 3, he said he had met him before. Number 4, she said she would help me later. So each sentence moves one step back in the tense. Let's fix these common mistakes together. She said she is tired. It's incorrect if reporting past speech. So you want to say, she said she was tired. That's reported, going one tense back. So is to was. Now, he said he will call. Common mistake there. You want to say, he said he would call. Always shift the tense when reporting past speech. So again, let's go over this one more time. A little reminder. Reported speech is repeating what someone said. The shift tenses back. So the present goes to the past. The past goes to the past perfect. And remember, adjust your time words as well. So today goes to that day. Tomorrow can go to the next day. And now you can report speech just like a native. I want to say that you did great today. And if you want to do more, now go to davidenglish.info for another quiz under reported speech in the advanced section to practice the reported speech quiz and master how to retell what people said in a natural, confident way. Who always says, he said, she said? You tell me.